Well, today we are going to advance a little further in our glass cutting tutorial. Today we are going to make a circular cut. We are going to cut glass disc. I'm going to use here a 3mm glass, a colorless glass. And I'm going to make a circle of 22 centimeters in diameter. For this, I have already cut a glass here previously. 26 centimeters square to give me some extra in this cut. Later you will understand a little more why there is this extra. And it is important to emphasize that for small diameters, in this case 25 centimeters, it will not be possible, or at least it would not be very easy. Work with thick glass of 6 or 8 millimeters and above. Thick glass is only possible with cuts above 70 centimeters in diameter, 80 which is already a half-inch top. Then we can cut without. Glass 10, 12 millimeters anyway from there on. Smaller glass in our case. We need to work with pieces with thin glass compatible with diameter. I'm going to work with a compass-shaped cutter. It comes here with a suction cup, which is for fixing in the center of the glass. And with this diamond head, that in this case it has one, it rotates in to be able to follow the movement. So here we go. I've already briefly marked the center in my ear. I'm going to fix it. The suction cup is firm. Now comes an important part. I'm going to pass kerosene, because this cutter of mine doesn't have kerosene tank, as well as some simple meters that some people have mentioned. In fact, I'm going to make a line I'm going to draw with kerosene, where my carrier will pass. It doesn't matter if I really waste a little kerosene here. It's preferable to have some kerosene left over. Then we'll wash the glass with soap, and water, or any other cleaning product, and we'll be done. It's important that there's no shortage. At this point, that there's no shortage of kerosene. So let's make a circle. We need a mark where we're going to start to end in the same place. So let's get moving. Okay, we're here. Now we release the suction cup, and before anything else, before we actually remove the glass, we're going to start releasing. We apply light pressure. We apply some pressure back on the edges all around. And maybe you can't see it on the camera, but it's really marking, it's opening, it's highlighting. All that height, my ear is already totally loose. Now I come with a normal cutter, and from the first line of the cut I make, cut yourself outwards, coming out. Now I do it on all 4 sides, and now I'm going to highlight it in the book. It's ready. We've already highlighted our glass, whoever doesn't have a cutter like that. It's also possible to use a mold with MDF. For those who are going to make one cut or another, sometimes it's enough to make a circle. In MDF, or maybe work with some lid you have at home, if it's compatible with the diameter. Fix the mold to the glass, and you can work. With a normal cutter, it will work. The cut may not be as clean as mine, but you will get your circle there. I hope I have helped some more people this time. A hug.